Aloha! Welcome to this week's 60-second open house. Damon Reese of Sachi, Hawaii here. Today's open house features a beautifully and completely remodeled home in the most well-known and prestigious luxury home neighborhood here on Oahu called Kahala. This single-story home features a ranch Hawaiiana architectural style. It has 6 bedrooms and sits under 2,700 square feet of indoor living space. Furthermore, it's on an oversized 14,000 square foot lot. Come check it out with me. This corner lot sits on 2 of the most quiet streets here in the inner part of Kahala, creating a very peaceful and tranquil area in which to live in. If you have any questions about this home, please don't hesitate to give me, Damon Reese, a call. And aloha!